Alright guys, so my device is fully charged 100% as you guys can see. Okay, there we go, 100%. So I'm going to run this battery test. I'm going to launch up the Geekbench application. So I'm going to tap on battery. I'm going to make sure all the apps are closed, even though I should have them open, because this is just reality stuff, man. Most likely you're going to have some apps open in the background. Dim the screen. We're not going to dim the screen because most people don't, unless it's at nighttime. So yeah, we're going to do a full discharge. Alright, so run benchmark and the tests begin. This actually adds wear and tear to my battery too as well. I throw my battery health on screen right now. So yeah, keep that in mind. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna come back, and once it's fully discharged, I launch back up the Geekbench, and it's gonna tell me right there. So yeah, so stand by. And my brightness is like about 50%, pretty much. Alright guys, so now I'm back home and the device is completely dead, as you guys can see. You have the dead battery indicator, so I'm gonna charge this up and let's see how this thing did. Okay, let's plug this in. I have my portable battery charger here. Okay, so the device is booted up. Oh, why did I want the settings? Alright, so let's launch up the Geekbench application and let's see how it performed. Alright, so 1,366. Now, the screen, as you guys saw, it's basically half. Basically, I try to make it as realistic as possible. So you guys can see it dropped kind of fast. So just like that. And even give you a nice little timer here. So it died exactly. It died in 2 hours and 50 minutes. All right, so it was on 0%. So I guess you could say 2 hours and 44 minutes, as you guys can see there. It shows the battery wear level. It shows the work percentage. And yeah, and there you have it. So like about 2 hours and 50 minutes. I think that's pretty average for an iPhone 6. It's not the best battery life, and it depends how heavy you're going to use your device. If you're watching a movie or if you're going to be using GPS all day, I don't know. So obviously these results may vary. It depends on your battery's health condition. So if I go into the settings, if I go into the battery, and I can go into the battery health, you guys can see I'm at 90%. So yeah, so it varies. Very, very mixed results on your device. Maybe you might have a 70% wear level battery and you're gonna get, your device is gonna die a lot quicker. So I hope you guys enjoy. I want to pull up the previous score on iOS 12.1 or iOS 12.0. So yeah, I cannot pull up the history of iOS 12.0 battery test. I know I did one. Maybe I did the old-fashioned way, but I throw a link in the description if you guys are curious to see the results. Maybe compare it. And real quick, I want to mention the group FaceTime. Now it's available, but it's only available through audio. So the camera, it cannot be on. I don't know. Maybe it's a hardware limitation. So video group FaceTime is only available on the iPhone 6s, 7, 8, 10, 10s, of course, and 10R, but not for the iPhone 6 or below. So 6, 5S is not supported. And most likely it's just a hardware thing. The iPhone 6 only features a 1 GB of RAM, as well as the 5S. So that gotta be the only thing. The 6S actually has 2 GB of RAM. So I think that's the issue right there. But other than that, this video is a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new with notifications on. Peace.